Hi, Luna. And Luna's gonna be off leash today. Let's see what's happening. Come on. All right. So Roger, come on with me. We'll walk across these flags. We did a winter installation here. So normally what would she have done?
Oh, she definitely would follow this. But that's what she's been doing. She hasn't even want to come close to the line.
Right. And that's good. And I think over time she'll get a little closer. Let's do this. Let's go down and around and up the stairs.
Okay.
All right. And we'll just see what she does. So you see she's kind of watching us from over there. Now right now it's a big temptation because she can't see us. Okay, there she is at the top of the stairs. She knows she really can't go down too far. You have a flag here, so she can't go that far. There she is. Good girl. Good girl. And now she's all excited. Good girl. All right, let's take her. Yes, she's so excited. We're back. We're back. All right, let's take her to the other side. Let's walk around. Okay, so she can't go past these flags. She can't get on the road. And about as far as she can go right there. Let's cross over again. And she should stay back. And again, normally she would have.
Oh yeah.
She would have followed us. And she's just there waiting for us to come back. Good girl.
And you see she's doing the jump back, you know?
Yeah. She gets all excited when we come back. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you are. It's gonna be great for her. She's gonna get so much exercise. I want to help you keep your dog safe at home and not on the street in danger. I can explain how an investment in a dog guard out-of-sight fence can give you the peace of mind and your dog the freedom he or she deserves. Call me today, 845-527-2554.